Hey guys, so I'm using a Raspberry Pi LCD display to control my 2-axis IR receiver and detector using Legos and Raspberry Pi. Right now I don't have my IR system hooked up. I'm just doing a mechanical check on the 2 servos. Just make sure I have control. So without further ado, I'm just going to run a back and forth loop on each axis to make sure I have full control. Alrighty, so without further ado, I'm going to go type in my program on my Raspberry Pi here. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to put in Python, and I'm going to start my program servo 20.py. Alright, so here we go. Let's see what happens. Whoa, guess I gotta play with the ranges. Well, I definitely have control on that axis. Alright, so let me stop this guy real quick. Alright, and let's see if I have control over the other one. Alright, here we go. Whoa, that went for a wild range. Okay. Wow. Alright, let me stop this guy. Yep. Well, at least I have full control. I'm just going to work on the ranges so far. So far I have connectivity and mechanical check. I just got to play with my ranges. So let me try this one more time. Alrighty. And we're going to do definitely got a lot of work ahead of me, but at least I have full control over the 2 servos so far. Alright, so that's it for right now. I'll see you guys in a bit when I have further developments. Alright, take it easy. Bye.